Alright guys, back again. Hope you enjoyed the videos. We'll do a bit more instruction on this. As you see, we've started getting across. We're right across the top of this sty now. We're moving across. The soapboard's almost finished there. That sty there at the back, you see, no longer is holding the house at all. And that white mark is almost all the way across. We're onto that front sty there at the front as well. Nearly, in the middle of the sty. The steel's reached to the middle of that sty, so we've already moved over a metre. We moved 600. Moved 600 so far. Still got a metre to go. So I've got to get the end of that soapboard there all the way across to there to be roughly where I want to be at the front. So we're off this one already too. We've still got board blocked up there, but there's no weight. She's no longer touching that block, so that one, the steel and that block are separate. That one there, there's nothing under there at all anymore. So we're getting there. We're just endeavouring to make sure it doesn't slide down the hill. We don't want it going down the hill until we're ready, which we've got to move the styes around to the side, and then we'll be moving that way once we get it all the way to the front. Okay, major job. Alright, so that's where we're at. Nothing else I can show you to. You can see the soap sticking through. We've come through. No, that's all we can show you at the moment. Okay, we'll keep on going. We'll get another metre to go. So we'll get that done, then we'll take another video. Okay, guys. Hope that's okay for you. Once again, if you have any comments, you want to ask any questions as to how it's done or why we do it this way, please make some comments on the bottom of the video, and don't forget to do the like and the subscribe button. It'd be very much appreciated. Thanks guys, talk to you again soon. See ya.